In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a lost iPhone using the critical features of the Find My iPhone app. This is an essential skill for anyone using Apple devices, whether you're someone who misplaces things often or just want to be prepared for the unexpected. Let's dive right into these crucial steps to make sure you can quickly locate your device. To kick off, you'll want to open the Find My app on another Apple device. If you don't have access to another device, don't worry. You can also go to iCloud.com/find using any web browser. Once you're there, sign in using your Apple ID. It's important to note that you should use the same Apple ID that's linked to the lost iPhone. This login is key to ensuring you can access the correct device information. Once you're signed in, you'll find a list of all your devices. Here, you need to select your lost iPhone. This brings up a map highlighting the location of your device, which is incredibly handy for pinpointing exactly where it is. If you find that your iPhone is nearby but hidden under a cushion or left in another room, the next step is to tap on Play Sound. This makes your iPhone emit a loud noise, even if it's on silent, to help you locate it. If your iPhone shows up on the map far from your current location, you may want to take extra precautions. Tap on Lost Mode. This feature locks your iPhone, displaying a message with your contact number if anyone finds it, giving them the ability to reach out to you. In a scenario where you believe your personal data might be at risk, there's a final option: Erase iPhone. Carefully consider this, as it will wipe all data from the phone, making it irreversible but protecting your confidential information. Now, a critical aspect of being prepared is ensuring your iPhone is set up properly before it gets lost. Head into Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then go to Find My and Find My iPhone. Here, you'll want to make sure that Find My iPhone is turned on. The Find My Network feature should also be enabled, allowing offline tracking. This is useful if your device gets disconnected from Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Additionally, activating Send Last Location will automatically save your iPhone's location data just before the battery runs out, giving you a better chance of recovering it regardless of battery status. With these settings enabled, you significantly enhance your odds of successfully locating your iPhone or securing your data in the unfortunate event of its loss. It's always better to be safe than sorry, so take a moment today to check these settings on your device. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you make the most out of your tech.